Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video. So today I'm gonna share with you how you can turn on your history is on feature on your Google Chat. For example, if you don't wanna get or if you don't wanna keep any message, and if you think that the message will be deleted after 24 hours, then you can turn off this option. Or if you think that every message you sent uh, will be kept in your an inbox, then you have to turn it on. So for example, choose any account and then click here on this option. So simply click on the name and here you get the option is history is off. So you can see this history is off and message sent now are deleted in 24 hours. It means when history is off, it means after 24 hours your message will be deleted. So simply click on this and that turn on, and after that if you send a message or other people send a message to you, then that message will be saved in your inbox. So okay friend, today's Noman, thank you for watching this video.